Isn't that beautiful? My soft heart expresses love as I forgive. Let's focus on that today as we enter the time of silence in our heart together. We're going to focus on that soft heart expressing love as I forgive. Sometimes anger and regret, those lower energies, we can take those energies to the light. And so today, if there is something in your heart, something in your memory bank, something in your past that needs more forgiveness, then just imagine it. Imagine it as a low energy. Imagine it maybe as a ball of dark energy, and you're going to lift it up in your mind. Lift it up, raise it up, lift it up to the light, and release it into the light and love from above. Let's do that again. Anything that Spirit brings to you, anything that needs forgiveness, anything from your past, anything from your present, anything at all, you can imagine it as a dark ball of low energy, and we're going to transform that. We lift it up and imagine it rising up. And as it rises, it becomes lighter and lighter and lighter, and we lift it all the way up to the light, the divine light above, and we release. And as we breathe in that image, that transformation of any of those regrets or angers, that negativity, we release it, we lift it up. We lift it up to the light, and we let go. And our hearts are soft as we express that love. So let's take that image into the silence for a few moments together. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, we affirm and acknowledge our hearts are soft and open. We're expressing love in every moment of forgiveness. And so it